Hello, friends. Today I'd like to share a book with you about spring. This book is called Bunny's Noisy Book, written by Margaret Wise Brown, pictures by Lisa McCue. This book is all about noises that Bunny hears. Let's get started. When he first woke up in the morning, he didn't open his eyes. Why should he, that little bunny? He raised his ears without opening his eyes. He heard all the little quiet noises starting the morning around him. First, what did he hear? First, nothing. Then there was a sudden fluttering and chirping. What was that? Birds getting up out of their nests and off the branches and beating their wings. Far off, very far away, he heard a cock-a-doodle-doo. What was that? The little bunny opened his eyes, went up the tunnel to his home, and out to sea. Sound came from the world above. The little bunny heard a buzz. What was that? Yes, it was a bumblebee. 2 bumblebees. Then the little bunny started on a big green leaf and began to make a little noise himself. How was that? Then he stretched. And what kind of noise was that? Then he yawned. And what kind of noise was that? Then he scratched. And what kind of noise was that? Then he sneezed. And what kind of noise was that? And then he went hop-hop over to a big pink clover that was buzzing with bees. All day long he ate big pink clover. At the end of the day, the sun went down. But could the little bunny hear that? No. But he could hear the little noises of the night beginning around him. The wind began to blow, louder and stronger. Branches snapped. Then there was an old familiar thump as his mother banged her heels on the ground. That meant run for home. The old red fox was taking a stroll. Time for little bunnies to be safe in their hole. And he popped down the rabbit hole just as the fox barked. He wriggled his nose and sniffed a little quick noise of a sniff. How was that? And he jumped into his little bed of leaves, curled into a little fur ball, and tucked his paws under him. Then the little bunny sighed his little bunny sigh. His ears fell down, and he nodded over, sound asleep in his own warm hole in the big, quiet night. I hope you enjoyed this book read. Thanks for watching.